Hello and welcome to my review of the program DigiBand. DigiBand is an auto accompaniment program. It's quite similar to programs like Songsmith, Band in a Box, ACS or Jammer Pro. There are lots of these programs around, but the thing that makes DigiBand quite special is the pretty advanced algorithms it seems to be using, and so the results can vary but can also be quite exciting. In this review I'll be covering the, in my opinion, three most exciting features, which are make an accompaniment, accompany your humming, and the I feel lucky feature, which I'll explain later. First we're going to select this feature, make an accompaniment. Now as you can see, there's some dialogues here. The first thing you may want to check here is the structure. This has some presets. The first structure is a pretty short song. You probably want a more advanced type of preset, let's say number 7. Now as you can see, this is going to create more of a full-blown song. That's what you want. You want to include an intro, a double verse, a bridge, chorus, etc. Now it's important to choose the emotion for the song. This is a very cool feature for songwriters. In my case, I would like it to be romantic sadness. It automatically selects the beat per minute to go along with it, so that's 90, that's fine. The beat is also fine. Now you can choose the chord. In my case I would like it to be in D. And I would also like it to be in minor, which would suit my style of songwriting. Now I'm going to click Auto Composition. And now let's see what it has done. Simply click play. That's a pretty cool result. As you can see, all the chords are here. Should you want to change something, like say I want E to be an E7, you double click. And now you can also see that the bar is divided in 4 beats. So you could theoretically use every beat and another chord on it. But let's keep it and I'll make it a E7. And I'll click OK. And now it has created 7s. I'll rewind and I'll play again. Okay, let's go to the second part of this review. Now another very cool feature of DigiBand is the possibility to automatically create an arrangement to go along with your humming, which you of course will first have to record. That's pretty easy to do in the program. Here's the menu and then you'll click, in this case, accompany your humming. And now the program will ask you to record a few sentences, or in this case it's probably wiser to simply hum or say an ooh or an ah. I'll try to do an ooh. It's also pretty important to sing in key, because otherwise the program won't have enough information to create a proper accompaniment. So I'll click record. Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, I hope that was good enough in key. The beginning wasn't all that good, but well, let's see what it does. I'll click stop and then I'll click OK. It's reading the wave data and here it is. Now it's time to make it recognize the chord, but before you do that it's probably wise to first check if the key is alright. Well, usually is, because I usually sing in G, so it has analyzed this pretty well. I will leave the scale to major. You can of course change it, but it's probably wise to leave things at their default state. The only thing you could change is the genre. You can probably change more, but in this case it's probably wise to leave this part at its default state. Well, I'll leave it to pop. These are all the parts of the arrangement it's going to create along with my voice. Then I'll click Recognize Chord. Now I'll click Auto Accompaniment. And then we'll see what it has done. It's probably wise to set the mixer part, my vocal here. Let's reduce the volume a little because you don't want it to overrule anything. So make it nice and soft. Now let's see what it's done. As you can see, the program automatically goes on with the arrangement, or in this case, it's making sort of an outro for it. Okay, well, I think the analyzing was pretty good. This feature is actually comparable with programs like Songsmith from Microsoft, but it appears that DigiBand does it better than Songsmith. So, okay, that's it. Now it's time for the next feature. In the last part of this review, I'll be covering the very cool I Feel Lucky feature. You can generate a song with just one click. It's guessing what I like. That is very funny. Now, as you can see, it has automatically created a chord sequence. The emotion is chosen automatically for you. In this case, it's excitement, and the genre is also chosen automatically. Now let's see how it sounds. It's pretty nice. I'll try again. Just one click, I Feel Lucky, and there it goes again. I'll rewind first this time. That's pretty cool. I would like to save this one as a MIDI file. You also have the opportunity to save it as a WAV file, but I would like to choose MIDI because then I can do some further editing on it. Let's call it Light Rock. Then I'll click Save. And the song is saved as a MIDI file. Now, as you can see, it has appeared on my desktop, and I'll play it with my standard MIDI player. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.